Y'all, nobody wants to spend time cleaning when they can be kicking back by the pool, relaxing with friends and family, and firing up the grill. That's why the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro is a game changer. Powerful, smart, and completely hands-free, so you can spend time enjoying your pool. It's got OmniSense Plus technology to map every inch of your pool, and FlexiPath adapted path planning keeps it moving smooth, making sure it hits every corner with S-shaped and Y-shaped cleaning patterns. You don't have to babysit it, just drop it in and let it handle the work. With one-click activation, the X1 Pro makes cleaning effortless. Eco mode runs longer using less power. Max mode cranks up the cleaning power. Auto mode detects how dirty your pool is and adjusts power accordingly. Kind of like my dishwasher. I love that. And talk about power, it's got dual motors pulling in 6,600 gallons per hour while collecting everything from fine sand to pebbles in a massive 5-liter debris basket and a filter that traps even the tiniest dirt, making sure your water stays crystal clear. Worried about getting stuck or falling off ledges? Not a chance. It's got anti-fall and platform protection. So whether you've got sun shelves or tanning ledges, it knows how to navigate them without tumbling over. When it's done, just set it on the charging dock. No need to plug it in manually. And if you want full control, the Aiper app lets you track cleaning history, switch modes, and get automatic software updates. Onshore controls are built in. But if you want remote access underwater, grab the Hydrocom Pure or Pro device for even more customization. Bottom line, the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro works hard so you don't have to. We carry a variety of Aiper products on bestbuy.com or the app. Check them out. If you have any questions, connect with an expert like me, RC.